Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Phonepe and confirming your KYC and linked UPI. This enables instant transfers. Next, make sure your Google Play account email and your phone number match the Phonepe profile, because mismatched details create delays. Once done, check you have at least Rupee 100 or the exact amount for the gift card you want. Now tap on the Recharge and Bills or Gift Cards section in Phonepe to begin purchasing a Google Play code. Don't skip verifying the account. You next choose Gift Cards and pick Google Play, then select the exact denomination you need. Rupee 100, Rupee 300, or Rupee 500 are common. After selecting amount, confirm the recipient. Make sure the Google account email or phone is typed correctly, because the code is tied to that. Then choose UPI or Phonepe balance and authorize the payment with your UPI PIN or fingerprint. Verify the OTP if prompted. Once payment succeeds, keep the transaction ID and screenshot handy. This helps if the code delivery. You finally open the Play Store, go to your profile, then Payments and Subscriptions and choose Redeem Code. Type the code exactly, including hyphens, and press Confirm. If the code doesn't appear within 10 to 15 minutes, check Phonepe messages and the app's inbox first, then SMS and your email. Make sure your Play account matches the recipient details. If there's still an issue, contact Phonepe support immediately. Provide the transaction ID and screenshots, and request a manual code, resend, or refund.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.